I have been playing meta platforms, and it has been steadily increasing recently, stacking boxes. It broke another threshold, so I plan to add more to my position and wait. The news sentiment is positive, and the short volume percentage is low. However, the earnings report is coming soon, so I intend to reduce my position just before then. As you can see in the chart from last year, it followed a significant trend with spikes in volume during the earnings report. Earnings don't always have to be a bad thing, but it's better to be careful and take precautions. I traded TECL previously and shared the details in the channel. It was a challenging play as it hit my stop loss, but then quickly recovered and created a new high of the year. I might consider giving it another try since the news sentiment is positive and it has a high correlation with the market. However, at the moment, it's too extended for my trading style, but I will keep an eye on it for another entry opportunity. It's definitely on my watch list. AMKR seems like an interesting stock to consider. It has a low trading volume, but has the potential to move fast in any direction. Currently, it is in a good position, but the trading volume is still low, and the MACD needs to move towards the positive. Additionally, the company's earnings are coming soon. However, the news sentiment is mixed, and the short interest is a little over 50%. I am still contemplating whether or not to enter in this stock.